Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm doing a review of the ASUS AX3000 dual band. It's the RT-AX58U Wi-Fi router. It's on the new Wi-Fi 6 format. I just bought this for the house. Figured, I'd give a quick review before installing it, and then I'd probably come back and let you guys know, the improved data speeds and whatnot in the house. The main reason I'm getting this is because the current router we have is a Linksys AC3200, and it's a tri-band router. It's a very nice router, but the 2.4 side is getting very weak, so it's time to replace with this thing. So let's get this thing unboxed and see what we got to work with. Oh, real quick though, on the back, let's read some of the specs. Of course, I find this kind of hard to believe. It says ASUS RT-AX58U is a next generation Wi-Fi 6 802.11ax router that delivers combined dual band speeds that are up to 2.5 faster than 802.11ac. That's up to 3,000 megabytes per second. Now, that's a little misleading on the marketing. Is if you've got a router that, like an AC router that's a 3200, you're going to get speeds up to 3200. So that's a little misleading, because it says on the back of the box, it shows on the back of the box the comparison. It's like, yeah, if you've got like an AC 1200, then yes, this is going to be obviously faster. So, but anyway, yeah, of course, this also features the MU-MIMO, MU-MIMO, with the latest OFDMA technology to efficiently allocate channels for multiple devices simultaneously with AI mesh technology. RT-AX58U can pair with other ASUS routers to create a customized whole home mesh system. DFS channels minimize network congestion to ensure a smooth Wi-Fi connection. The upshot is fresh, future-proof technology for the freedom to work or play far from the router. And of course, like most routers, it comes with an app. I have already downloaded it on my phone, but I have not had the ability to mess with it because, well, I haven't cracked the sucker out of the box. And it's got 4 gigabit LAN ports on the back. It's got your Ethernet in, got a reset button, WPS button, power switch, power port, and it's got a USB 3.1 Gen 1 port on the back. So that way you can hook in things like, storage and whatnot. So let's get the sucker cracked open. Then they make it easy for getting the app to download with it. It's on Android and Apple. And you got the little QR codes there for being able to download the app. So let's see what we got in the box. VIP member warranty notice. Keep that. Oh yeah, having trouble? Don't take it back. Just call them. Yeah. Tried that with a Netgear Wi-Fi router not too long ago, and it didn't work. I ended up taking it back. Advanced Wi-Fi helper. Check the driver / software for wireless adapters. Blah, 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 blah. Okay, don't need that. Quick setup guide. And for those of you who are not familiar with doing this kind of thing, yes, you want to refer to this. So, and we got the router. Nice little plastic that it is wrapped in. Nice sleek little thing. It's got 4 antennas on it. Looks like they're individually wrapped. Take the little plastic coverings off. Now this is cool. The Linksys I've got, it's got 4 antennas too, but they're on the sides. This one is on the back, so. But there's your connectors on the back. All your lights for indicating what's going on are on the top. Oh, this is nice. And it's wall mountable. It's got the little screw holes right there to, you know, mount it on the wall, which is convenient. It's got Ethernet cable. And your power brick. One thing I always wonder about these, whenever I get them, is how long the cord is. Sometimes they don't give you a long enough cord, and you gotta mess with extension cords and whatnot. Oh yeah, it's got a fairly decent length cord. You know, this is another thing I like. It's got a nice, convenient sized power brick. It's got the plastic on it still, but a lot of them got that big ass chunky brick that comes with it, and it's like, ugh, such a pain in the butt. And of course, last but not least, you have your owner's manual. And that's, from the looks of it, everything comes in the box. So, this is going up on the shelf. Win 10 support, IPv6 support, 2-year warranty. Oh, that's a good thing. It's got 2-year warranty. Sweet. And it does work with Mac. So, 160 megahertz bandwidth for ultra-fast Wi-Fi speed. Well, I'll be the judge of that. Alright, let me go hook this thing up, and then I will come back and give an overview on how much faster this sucker is. So, stay tuned. Okay, everything's all hooked up, and after doing some speed tests, before and after comparison, I did notice there's a slight minor improvement with the new router, but again, the old router was starting to go bad. It was starting to show weak signal on the 2.4 side. Beauty part I found out with this router is you don't have to choose between the 2.4 or the 5G side of the router. It basically, depending on where you're at in the house, it'll choose for you. It'll just automatically connect. It's one connection to the router, one password, that's it. It does all the work for you, which is very nice. Before, with the Linksys that I had, you had to choose between the 2.4 or the 5G side, and it was okay, but it just seemed like an inconvenience if you didn't have good enough signal on the on the 5G side. Then you'd have to go into the settings, change over to the 2.4. Sometimes the other problem I was having with the Linksys was it was constantly dropping the password, so we had to re-input the password, and it just got to be a pain in the butt. I will say this, with the ASUS, it does not have a predetermined password. You have to set that up in the app. Most other routers, it'll have a predetermined password in order to initially get on the internet with it. This, you can, as soon as you plug it in, it'll be an unsecured network. You have to then go into the app and set it up with a password, and then you'll have a protected network. So I will try to post in the video pictures of the before and after, but just in case I can't seem to figure it out on the editing. There wasn't much of an improvement, and for some reason the 2.4 side on the Linksys decided to behave itself today. Yeah, as far as the claim on the back of the box, oh, you get so much faster speed over 802.11 AC. Okay, not completely true. It's marketing hype in order to get you to buy this. The fact that it's the new standard should be enough to get you to buy it. The fact that it does have insanely good speeds for whatever your internet provider is, whatever you're paying for speeds. This is not going to magically make your Wi-Fi speeds any better than what you're paying for. So if you're paying for 100 megabytes or megabits upload or download and, like, say 10 upload, that's all you're going to get. Now we're paying for 100 download and I think 10 up, but I got like 117 was the maximum. download and like 11.7 for the upload. But yeah, we're paying for roughly 100 down and 10 up. So I think technically I think we're paying for like 15 up, but like I said, just getting this is not going to magically make your internet so much better unless your old router was just a piece of junk. Then it will improve, but you're only going to get the maximum amount of speed out of your router that you're paying for from your internet provider. So, but with that being said, the app is very nice. On the app, you can look at things like network usage. You know, like if somebody decides they're going to connect to your router that you don't know of, you can go into the app, even remotely. I could be across the country, and I can still access the app and access my network at home. And I can see if there's any unauthorized usage of my network, which is kind of cool. I didn't have that with Linksys. With the Linksys app, I could find out if there was other devices connected. But if somebody gets sneaky, you won't necessarily see the device name pop up. You'll just see, normal devices that you normally see. With this, I was able to kind of see with the app actual network usage. So even if somebody decides they're going to hide their device name, you'll still see the usage. So you can get to the bottom of any network intrusions. So, but yeah, that's been a little quick unboxing and overview of the RT-AX58U from ASUS, the AX3000 dual band. So, if you like the video, make sure you make a comment down below. Hit the like button, share with your friends, subscribe, and click the bell to get notified of future videos. And thanks for watching.